Good morning, students. In the previous class, I explained example 1, 2, 3. Three sums completed. Today, I am going to explain example 4. Okay, in page number 201. Okay, what is the given? Example 4 is in a trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to CD. E and F are points on non-parallel sides AD and BC respectively, such that EF is parallel to AB, so that AE by ED is equals to BF by FC. Okay, this is the given sum. And first given, what is the given? First one. In a trapezium ABCD, in a trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. In this trapezium, AB is parallel to CD. What is the second condition is? E and F are points on non-parallel sides AD and BC respectively. Third one. EF is parallel to AB. EF is parallel to AB. RTP required to prove. What is the required to prove? AE by ED is equals to BF by FC. This is a given. Okay. Now the diagram is okay. A B C D. A B. This is a parallelogram. Here AB and CD are parallel. Already trapezium definition it is. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. So AB and CD are parallel. And E and F are points on non-parallel sides, that is AD and BC. So this is the E point. E is on point AD and F is the point on BC. E F. This is the line. Okay. EF is parallel to AB. EF is parallel to AB given. Okay. To prove AE by ED is equals to BF by FC. BF by FC. Okay. A small construction. What is the construction means? Join A and C. Join A and C. A and C to intersect EF at G. That EF line, this AC diagonal intersect EF line at G. Okay. Now proof. What is the proof? Okay. Here we can observe in triangle ADC. First of all, AB is parallel to CD, that is the trapezium definition. EF is parallel to AB, EF is parallel to AB. So AB is parallel to EF, that is given. Okay. AB is parallel to CD, that is the definition of trapezium. Okay. Now this implies CD is also parallel to EF. CD is also parallel to EF. Okay. CD is parallel to EF. Okay. Now, first of all, in triangle ABC, in triangle ADC, in this triangle, EF or EG or EF parallel to CD. In triangle ADC, EG parallel to CD. In triangle ADC, EF actually that EG also parallel to CD. Okay. So one line is parallel to one side of a triangle, then the line divides the other two sides in distinct points. The other two sides in the divides in the same ratio by BPT theorem. By BPT, AE by ED is equals to AG by GC. This is the first one. Okay. This is first equation. Next, now I will take the ABC triangle. In triangle ABC, GF is parallel to AB because EF parallel to AB is given. The total EF line parallel to AB means GF also parallel to AB. GF parallel to AB in this triangle. Okay. Now one line is parallel to the one side of a triangle, then the line is divided in the same ratio according to basic proportionality theorem. By BPT. BF by FC is equals to AG by GC. This is the second equation. Okay. Now here from 1 and 2, first and second equation from 1 and 2. First and second equation. Here write RHS. AG by GC is there. Here RHS also AG by GC. So these two RHSs are equal. Then LHSs are also equal. Therefore AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. Hence proved. Okay, what is the proved? AE by ED equals to BF by FC. So that is proved. This is the example number 4. Okay. Next. Page number 200. Do this. Page number 200. Do this. Here two sums is given. The first one is what value of x will make DE is parallel to AB in the given figure. AD equals to 8x plus 9, CD equals to x plus 3, BE equals to 3x plus 4, CE equals to x. Okay. Given DE is parallel to AB. A, B, C, D, E. DE is parallel to AB given, okay, in triangle ABC. Say AD equals to 8x plus 9, CD equals to x plus 3, BE equals to 3x plus 4, CE equals to x. This is the given. To find x. To find x. Okay. Proof. Here in this triangle, DE is parallel to AB. DE is parallel to AB. One line is parallel to the one side of a triangle. Then the line is divided in the same ratio the other two sides. Okay. So by BPT, according to BPT theorem, AD by CD is equals to B by EC. Okay. Now, what is the value of AD? 8x plus 9 by CD x plus 3 is equals to BE 3x plus 4 by CE x. CE or EC. Cross multiply. X into 8x plus 9 is equals to 3x plus 4 into x plus 3. Okay. X into 8x square. X into 9, 9x. 3x into x, 3x square. 3x into 3, 9x. Plus 4 into x, 4x. Plus 4 3 are 12. Okay. Now, these all are transposed to this side. 8x square plus 9x plus 3x square transposed to this side minus 9x 3x square plus 9x transposed to this side minus 9x plus 4x transposed to this side minus 4x plus 7 transposed to this side minus 12 equals to 0. 8x square minus 3x square, 5x square. Plus 9x minus 9x cancelled. So minus 4x. One number minus 12 equals to 0. Factorize the given equation. Okay. So if we add the two numbers, gives minus 4. The same numbers multiplied gives minus 12 into 5, minus 60. What are the two numbers? Factorize. Okay. How means 1 into 60, 2 into 30, 3 into 20, 4 into 15, 5 into 12, 6 into 10, 8 to 9, 10. 10 into 6, these numbers. Okay. In this one, you will take these two numbers I will choose. So, minus 10 plus 4. Minus 10 plus 4 plus 6 means minus 4. Minus into plus minus 6 times are 60. So 5x square minus 10x plus 6x minus 12 equals to 0. What is the common here? 5x. Take the common, x minus 2 plus here 6 is the common. So remaining is x minus 2 equals to 0. In these two, x minus 2 is the common and remaining is 5x plus 6 equals to 0. X minus 2 equals to 0, means product of two numbers equals to 0 means either first one equals to 0 or second one equals to 0. If first one equals to 0, therefore x equals to plus 2 transpose to that side, sorry, minus 2 transpose to that side, plus 2. 5x equals to plus 6 transpose to that side, minus 6. X equals to minus 6 by 5. But here, this is the length, x length. So, length cannot give negative. So, this value not there. Therefore, x equals to 2. This is the x value. Okay, this is do this first one. Now second one. What is the given second one? Given in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. AD equals to x, BD equals to x minus 2, AE equals to x plus 2, EC equals to x minus 1. To find value of x. Same sum. Diagram is A, B, C, D, E. These two are parallel lines. Proof. Here DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. So one line is parallel to the one side of a triangle. Then by BPT, according to BPT theorem, AD by DB, AD by DB or BD is equals to AE by EC, AE by CE or EC, AE by EC. Okay, AD by DB or BD equals to AE by EC. Substitute the values. AD x, BD x minus 2, AE x plus 2, EC x minus 1. Cross multiply. Okay. X into x minus 1 is equals to x plus 2 into x minus 2. Cross multiply. X into x square, minus x into 1, x. X plus 2 into x minus 2. A plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So x square minus 2 square. So x square minus x equals to x square minus 4. X square, 2 square means 4. 2 2s are 4. So both sides take the cancel the x square. So minus x equals to minus 4. Minus minus cancel. Therefore x equals to 4. This is the x value. X equals to 4. This is the do this second sum. Okay students. Thank you. Tomorrow we will discuss about exercise 8.1 first sum onwards. Thank you.